Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today we're going to go over 3 different lead leg combinations that you can practice for sparring. Now let's get started. The first combination we are going to go over is going to start with a hook kick to the body. So from here, you're just going to hook kick to the open side right here. From there, we are going to then kind of back up, move around a little bit, and then you're going to fake the hook kick to the body, and then you're going to swing it through and do a roundhouse kick to the head. So we got them used to seeing that hook kick motion to the body here. Then you're going to do that hook kick motion here, and then come over top right on the head. So from here, you're doing hook kick motion to the body, reset a little bit, hook, roundhouse kick right over the shoulder. So you fake to the open side, and then you come through over the shoulder for that roundhouse kick. Now this next combination is going to be all in one go. We're going to be doing a cut kick to a low high roundhouse kick. So it's going to be 3 different hits. So from here it's going to go cut kick, low high roundhouse kick. Okay, so I'm doing a cut kick motion. Whether it hits or not, the cut kick can either kind of go in the air, you're maybe using it to get distance, and then the first initial hit for that low roundhouse kick, not really trying to score or really trying to score that last headshot. So from here, cut 1, 2 over the shoulder, okay? So we're doing multiple 2 flicks to the body, kind of get them to maybe draw their hands down, and then the third one, you're gonna kind of snake it over the shoulder if you're in an open stance. If you are in a closed stance here, obviously that low high roundhouse kick is going right to the face. Alright, this next combination, we're going to be utilizing our punch to get into the clinch and score a kick. So we're going to start off first with a front leg roundhouse kick to the closed side here to set up our backhand punch. Okay, so once again, you're going to start with a front leg roundhouse kick. It's going to the closed side, then you're going to set up the punch to the open side here. Once you get here in the clinch, then you're going to kind of push off, move your foot around, and then we're going to do a kind of like a hybrid between a hook kick and a scorpion kick here. Okay, this one's definitely more high risk just because of the position you're in the clinch. You're kind of turning your back a little bit. But if you're super flexible, you get really comfortable with this combination, it can definitely work. I've seen it several times score. I've been scored on it before as well. It can definitely be sneaky, like I said, especially if you practice this a lot. You get used to kind of moving around in the clinch, positioning your body correctly, and if you're super flexible, you'll be able to kind of sneak it up through the back. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you would like to see in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.